What's going on? It's Rick from codewithintent.com coming at you with another video. And in this one, I'm going to be sharing with you a module that I've been working on. And this module is called Mailpro. Now, Mailpro allows you to do some pretty damn cool stuff with email, encryption, decryption. And I'm going to be sharing with you some of the functionality with the module here that's been released over at NPM. You can run this with Node. You can run this on the client side. Anywhere there is JavaScript, you can run this module. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we jump into it here and I start showing you the methods and everything, I want to go ahead and share with you that you need to have a Mailgun. So if you have not used Mailgun before, go over there and check it out, create an account. It's 100% free to get started, I believe. Yeah, you can send 10,000 emails for free every single month. And they have a documentation, they have a REST API. You can see here they're using a curl command to be able to pull in some of the email stuff. But it's a little bit difficult trying to do curls or trying to do requests with Node.js or even using the internal tool that is provided for you. So I decided not to use Mailgun and I wrote a separate module here that uses a different module. So let's go over to the GitHub and I can show you this. GitHub, where are you, GitHub? Let's just head over to GitHub here. GitHub right here. And repositories, Mailpro. And if we look at this package.json, you'll see here I'm using this Mailgun JS library. Now that library is the one that enables my module to work, so you need to have that library to have this module. So there you go. But yeah, it's pretty handy. You just put in your private key, your public key, your domain, and your secret. And the secret is used for encryption and decryption as a salt. So just so you know that, you pretty much pass those in, you get the instance of the object, and then you can do stuff like get subscribers from my mailing list, be able to create subscribers for a selected mailing list, be able to update a subscriber for a selected mailing list, validate if an email is valid. That can be very important for web applications. Encrypt and decrypt objects. So you can see here we have Brandy. She's 23. She's a female. This is her balance, and we encrypt her, and we get back this string like this. And then we get the object back as a JSON object here when we decrypt her. So again, just a little bit of handy commands, some handy methods. This module, I originally wrote it about 3-4 years ago. No, I don't know if it's been longer. 2 to 3 years ago I wrote this, and it's been handy, but I've been using it internally for my client work. I've been using it internally for some of the stuff that I've been working on for some of my clients. So I haven't been able to release it publicly, but now I went in there, refactored all the private and public keys, and now it's available for you to be able to go in there and download it. So let's go back over here. Let's go to products, and then let's go to RSVP to webinar, and let's talk about this. So if you want to know how to create your own NPM modules, if you want to be cool like me and have an NPM module over there at the NPM repository, so you can do awesome stuff like be able to have your own modules like this, NPM install Mailpro, NPM install whatever module you want to release. So if you want to know how to do that, go over here, RSVP for the webinar, type in your name, type in your email, say that you're not a bot, and then you'll be able to sign up for the webinar, and I'll go ahead and share with you how you can become a full stack developer for all the tools and resources you need for you to be able to create your own NPM module, be able to create your own web application, be able to create your own mobile apps, be able to create your own mobile games. Again, guys, go right here, register for the webinar. I'm not sure how much longer I'll be offering the webinar, but if you really, really, really want the skills to really move forward, go over there, sign up for the webinar, 100% free, type in your name, type in your email, and you'll get dropped into the webinar. I'll just send you an email to follow up with you, and then we'll get on the webinar, and I'll go ahead and share with you what I have to say about becoming a full stack developer and how to avoid things like coding boot camps. That's gonna go ahead and do it here for me. If you have any questions about any of this, drop me a comment below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Click on the subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll talk to you next time.